In this video, I'll show you how to use Lightroom's presets. I'm in the Develop module, and if I go over to the left panel here, I'm going to open up the Presets panel, and you can see there are several presets that ship with Lightroom. All of these that you see here ship with Lightroom. This user presets, there won't be anything there unless you have made a preset of your own, and I'll show you how to do that shortly. So I'm going to go ahead and reveal the presets under Lightroom black and white filter presets, and I don't have to apply the preset. I can actually preview it just by holding my cursor over the name of the preset, and I'm going to scroll on down, and you can see how up in the navigator window there the preset is being previewed without having to apply it. And I'll go on down. There's all kinds of black and white conversion presets that are actually very useful, as well as color presets found here. So I'm just going to pick one, and let's go ahead and choose Cross Process 2. I'm going to select this by clicking on it. And if you look over to the right in the basic panel, watch what happens there. Okay, so it's applied all these different settings based on the preset. Now, what happens if you want to apply multiple presets? Will they build on each other, or does one preset completely supersede the other? That's a good question, and the answer is yes and no. And I'll try to explain it this way. When you choose a preset such as Cross Process 2, you could see there's some changes over here, let's say in the clarity and the saturation sliders. Now I'll choose another preset, and as long as the other preset is not using or has not altered those slider settings, the original settings will remain. However, in this case, you can see how the second preset now took precedence, and those numbers in the clarity slider become the ones that Lightroom uses. So you can build one preset on the other, but it really depends on the presets and what sliders are being used. So how do you create your own user preset? Well, that's very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and make a user preset. I'll hit reset, go back to the original settings, and this is going to be a very, very simple preset. I'm just going to go ahead and move my clarity slider to the left, and let's see what else. I'll reduce the vibrance a little bit. Okay, there. I like this. And this is something I may want to use on other flower type images. In order to create a preset, so I don't have to go through what I just went through there, I can make a preset by selecting this plus sign over on the left panel, create new preset, and all these different options now show up. So I'm just going to give this a name, negative clarity. It's going to go into a folder called User Presets. It can't go into any of the presets that were shipped with Lightroom, but it goes into User Presets, and you can create your own folders, subfolders, and I'll show you how to do that shortly. Auto settings, I'm not going to select auto tone because I don't want auto tone applied. I don't want all these other settings applied either. So I'm going to check none, and all I really want are the settings in the basic tone and clarity. Those are the two that I want. Oh, hold on a second. I also wanted the vibrance. So let's go ahead and select the vibrance setting, because I can really hone in on to the settings that I want to be applied with the preset so it doesn't affect other settings. Be careful on what you choose here. Once I've done making my selection of settings, I select Create, and you can see now that has shown up under User Presets. Now, if I want to make my own subfolder, I'll select New Folder. I'll give it a name. I'll call these User Color Presets. So that User Color Presets now becomes a folder, and that, in fact, is where I want to put the negative clarity one. So I'll drag and drop it into that folder. Okay, so far I've only been in the Develop module. Let's go back over to the Library module. I'll select the G key, and now we're in the Library module. And I'm going to go ahead and select a picture here because I want to show you that you can also apply presets from within the Library module. So look over here to the right under Quick Develop, Saved Presets. Now all those presets that we saw in the Develop module are here in the Quick Develop. And we also have our preset that we just created, the negative clarity. Now I can apply that straight here from the library module, as I've just done. And now you can see how that preset has been applied to that single image in the library module. So let me go ahead and show you one other thing that's kind of cool, is I can make multiple selections here, and I can apply a preset to all those selections at once. So in the library module, let's just randomly choose one, selenium tone. So all those images will have the same preset applied to them. One more thing I want to show you. So here in the import window, regardless of what I've chosen up here, copy as DNG, copy, move, or add, I can apply one of those presets on import. They're all there, even the one I just made. So you can apply the preset on import, then it's all done. You can apply it in the library module to multiple images at the same time, or you can apply it in the develop module as we saw. Now, on top of this, not only can you make your own presets, but you can actually go online, Google Lightroom presets, and you're going to find a whole community of Lightroom users out there who are sharing some pretty awesome presets. Some are free, some are not, but it's very easy to install presets into Lightroom that you've gotten from other sources. Okay, so that's what you need to know about Lightroom presets. Enjoy.